This mower deck was heavily rusted and beginning to deteriorate. Here's how we went from this to this. Mower rust is caused by wet grass, dirt, and debris that build up under the deck and hold moisture against the steel. Sand and abrasive debris can also wear away paint, exposing bare metal where rust can start and spread. In this video, we'll show how to stop existing mower deck rust and help prevent future rust using the KBS Coatings rust prevention system of KBS Clean, RustBlast, and RustSeal. The process comes down to 4 steps: remove loose rust and failed coatings, clean the deck, prepare the metal, and apply a rust preventive coating. Let's walk through each step. The first step is removing any loose rust or failing coatings. Applying a coating over unstable surfaces can lead to peeling, flaking, and premature coating failure. You can remove loose rusting coatings using a wire wheel, 320 grit sandpaper, or by sandblasting. If existing paint is still firmly attached, simply scuff it with sandpaper to create a surface profile that the new coating can grip. One of the advantages of the KBS system is that light surface rust does not have to be completely removed. RustSeal can be applied over surface rust treated with RustBlast. Once loose rust has been removed, the deck needs to be thoroughly cleaned. Grass residue, grease, dirt, oil, and other contaminants can interfere with coating adhesion. For this step, KBS Clean is used to remove contaminants and prepare the surface for RustBlast. Mix KBS Clean with hot water, scrub the surface with a brush or Scotch-Brite pad, then rinse thoroughly and allow the deck to dry completely. Proper surface preparation is one of the most important factors in coating performance. After cleaning, apply KBS RustBlast to bare metal or lightly rusted areas. RustBlast removes oxidation while creating a micro-etched surface profile that promotes strong coating adhesion. Apply RustBlast and keep the surface wet for 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the severity of the rust. Periodically scrub with a Scotch-Brite pad, then rinse and allow the surface to dry. You'll notice a light zinc phosphate residue remaining on the surface. Leave it in place. It helps prevent flash rust and improves coating performance. Now it's time for the protective coating. A mower deck coating needs to do more than simply cover the metal. It must resist moisture, impacts, abrasion, dirt, grass buildup, and constant exposure to harsh operating conditions. For this step, KBS RustSeal is used. RustSeal is a single-part moisture-cured urethane coating designed to stop and prevent rust by sealing metal away from moisture and oxygen. RustSeal is available in 11 colors and is formulated to be hard yet flexible to resist cracking, chipping, peeling, and abrasion. RustSeal can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed. Apply 2 to 3 thin coats rather than 1 thick coat. Thin coats promote proper curing and coating appearance. Allow each coat to become dry to the touch before applying the next coat. After application, allow approximately 7 days for full cure before placing the mower back into service. Beyond rust prevention, coating a mower deck offers additional benefits. A smooth coated surface is easier to clean and maintain. It can reduce grass buildup by making it harder for clippings and debris to stick to the underside of the deck. A quality coating also helps protect against abrasion from dirt, sand, and debris. And by preventing corrosion and deterioration, a properly coated mower deck can help preserve equipment value and extend service life. Preventing mower deck rust comes down to proper preparation and using a coating system designed to withstand harsh conditions. By removing loose rust, cleaning the surface, preparing the metal, and applying a durable protective coating, you can stop rust, extend mower deck life, and help keep your equipment performing at its best. For more information on the products featured in this video and to find detailed instructions for their use, visit kbscoatings.com. KBS Coatings are proudly made in the USA.